Yeah, Mr. Ram Prakash, you are going to attend the
Yes, sir.
interview for SBI IT
Yes, sir.
officers. Is it a contract job or on a permanent basis?
It's a permanent job, sir.
Is it for scale 1 or scale 2?
It's for scale one, sir.
Okay, good. Now, you please tell me about yourself. Let us have your name as Ram Prakash. You tell broadly about yourself. Also, tell the name of the company as IT company. That will do. Please tell.
Sure, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Ram Prakash. I'm currently working in an IT company in Chennai. Before that, I was in IIT Kanpur. I was doing my research there, and I have done my master's from BITS Pilani.
Hmm,
I did
great.
my bachelor's.
In fact, my son also studied MSc in BITS Piloni long, not now, 2000, 95 to 2000. It
Okay,
was a
sir.
five year degree in those days, dual degree. He studied in way
Okay.
back in 2000. Yeah, tell me, you did BITS Pilani. Thereafter, you went for research with IIT Kanpur and you could not
Yes, sir.
complete it. Now, did you complete the research?
No, sir. I did not complete my research. Then I joined the IT company, sir.
Very
I
good.
found out
How
that
long? How
research is
long?
not for me, sir.
Yeah, how long you were with research?
So I was there for around 5 months, sir.
Only 5 months. What was the research you
Yes,
were
sir.
aiming at?
So I was doing a project which was funded by Government of India, sir.
Acha? Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, you are now with your IT company. Can you tell me what is the nature of work you are now doing and in what way it will be related to the IT officer job for which you have applied?
So, so I've joined my IT company recently. So before getting allotted to a project, we are going under training for AIML. So if I talk about AIML, it's upcoming boom, or I would say it's currently also being used, but for banking, it needs to be maybe it can be a game changer for banking in future as well. So AIML can be used for um, for checking if a person should be given a loan or not. We can use AIML for that, or maybe for other things as well, like credit card frauds and all. We can use AIML for it because as a bank we have a lot of data of many years, so we can use the data, build a ML model around it for different tasks, and we can achieve our analytics and take further decisions. So,
Uh, I think you have, can you try to tell us where it is artificial intelligence is being used nowadays in banking? In what way banks are using it nowadays?
so they are using for analyzing if a person should be given a loan or not. I'm
Hmm.
not getting a proper term for it. There is actually a term for it. We do
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, yeah.
that if we want
There
to
is
give a person a loan or
AI,
not.
now it is given AI tools can identify warning signs of fraud by
Warning signs of
monitoring
fraud. Yeah.
user behavior patterns. Artificial intelligence can also help banks in mitigate the threat of cyber attacks. And
Yes, sir.
robotic process automation algorithms can automate repetitive tasks, which can increase operational efficiency and accuracy. Also, this allows users to focus on more complex processes that require human intervention. But right now,
Yeah.
it is widely used in chatbots. You know what is a chatbot?
Yes, sir. I know about chatbots, sir.
Tell me.
So by chatbot, instead of doing manual things, we can just type our task in chatbot, and the chatbot would do it for us. In example, for in Federal Bank, we have Fedi as a chatbot in its website. So we
Mhm.
can use Fedi to gather information regarding different procedures in Federal Bank.
How it is able to answer our queries?
Yes, sir. It does it quite well, sir.
No, no, you have to tell what is the technology adopted to have this. You must be able to tell as a computer man that it is
Yes, sir.
using. Tell me.
So it is using large language models, sir,
Hmm. And you can
and generative pre-trained
you
transformer.
you can tell some more points also. I don't know. Like you can
Oh,
tell that the system is being taught certain contents to react like human beings. Is it not? That is the definition of artificial intelligence. Namely,
yes, sir.
whatever computer or system is there, we are going to teach it to conduct itself in a way that normal human beings will behave.
Yes, sir. Of course, sir.
Yeah. Then it is also given there are other things like predictive analytics, like market shifts. I suggest you go to google.co.in and search as I have now done. I just made a search and it has given me this many lot of information. Could you follow?
Yes, 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 sir.
ऐसा भी आपने करना है and you must try to do it in a deeper way. This question is a certain question for you,
Okay, okay, sir.
especially because you are telling that you are now learning about it. So there will be a lot of questions on this one. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. Otherwise, you manage the question nicely, no problem. Now, what are the computer languages with which Ram Prakash is familiar?
So as an engineer, I've tried many different languages, and my primary language is in Java, and I
Hmm,
also tried Flutter and Python for different tasks. Sir.
good, very good.
While doing my internship in Chennai, it was a biotech company. I was also doing some programs in Android, and at the same time, I was making some APIs in C++. So,
Excellent. Now, can you tell me the new languages that are being used widely in Europe, America, and other places? I think as a computer boy, you must be aware of what is happening in this world at present. What are the new languages that have come? I am only asking the name of the languages because maybe you have not studied them. Tell me.
so, so currently, there are some languages which are on boom. JavaScript is the topmost language which is used worldwide. There are some new languages which the companies are adopting. There's a language called Rust, which companies are using for systems programming. And apart from languages, there are some frameworks which companies are adopting. For example, blockchain. Even for banking, we can use blockchain for digital money. So these are some frameworks. So blockchain and Rust. I would say Python is also on boom for data analytics and AI also.
Mhm. Correct. You told correctly Python, especially for data science and artificial intelligence, Rust for its memory safety, then
Yes, sir.
Kotlin, Kotlin for
Yes,
Android
sir.
development,
But it's for
then
Android, so yeah.
Go, that is Golang for
Yes, sir.
cloud-based applications, and Dart for crosses platform app development. All this is coming
Yes, sir.
like this. This is only out of my search. You have to raise questions like this after this interview and try to get as many questions as possible and also get new ways of answering them. We need not answer now, we need not write a program in Kotlin or Golang, but it is sufficient you know what it is. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
S-
that's good. Now let me go for the next question. Um, Mr. Ram Prakash, why did you not write for GATE exam and all?
Sir, if I write for GATE exams, I would be again going to a college and would be doing maybe MTech. uh,
Mhm.
or I would be working in PSU if I get a job through GATE exam. But my interest uh, currently is in building things for nation, so that's why I've not
No,
given
no.
GATE exams
Don't
and
say,
switched
don't
to.
say, don't say nation. We are not Mahatma Gandhis. So don't say
Okay, sir.
nation. What is
Actually,
normalize? Now, next question for you. What is normalization and its type?
so, so normalization is a process in databases to reduce anomalies in databases. There are majorly five types in normalization. It's first normal form, second normal form, third normal form. Then it is 3.5 and fourth normal form, sir.
What is the difference between DCL, DML, SQL?
So DML is data manipulation language, which is used for manipulating the data in the database. SQL is structured query language, which is used to interact with the database. DCL is, I'm not sure, sir, about DCL, sir. Can you please
Yeah,
abbreviate it so I can?
I will find out and tell you because I am not a computer man, but still I can search our Google and it can tell us some ideas about it. Mm, Dynamic SQL. What the one thing is DCL. Yeah, DCL, DDL, SQL commands. DDL, DQL, DML. Are you seeing on the screen? No.
No, sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
These are all SQL commands, perhaps I don't know. DDL, DQL, DML, DCL, and TCL commands. What are the four types of SQL commands? DDL, data definition language, commands
Yes,
like
sir.
create, alter, and drop to define database structure. Then DML,
Data manipulation language,
data
sir.
manipulation language. Mm, 1 minute. It's asking so many things. Yeah. Then DCL means data control language. It is there in Geeks for Geek.
I'll study, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I am giving you this link in your. Uh, so I am just now giving it for my sake in my Karnataka group. I will take it to you later on. Please message me. Of course,
Oh,
if you
sure, sure.
search in Google, you will get it. It is a geek for geeks question. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
very good. Next question for you. Hmm, What is CAPTCHA and how human differentiate CAPTCHA by bot?
So, sir, CAPTCHA is a procedure taken by various organizations to identify whether the candidate using its service is a real person or it is a automated robot, sir. So in CAPTCHA, the candidate is asked to either type the text from the image or listen to an audio and type what he has heard from the audio. That's how CAPTCHA differentiates from
Or
uh,
identify some objects, photographs.
or identify some objects. Yes, sir.
But one thing I have seen
That's how it
is
differentiates, sir.
nowadays CAPTCHA that is used by banks, including my bank, they are creating a lot of trouble for old people like me. I can't look at the letters itself. And now they are making
Yes,
it
sir.
so complicated, whether it is small letter or whether it is big letter or whether it is O or zero. ये भी पता नहीं होता है अरे बाबा. How to differentiate zero and O in computer?
In computer, we can. Are you talking about CAPTCHA? In CAPTCHA,
No, no,
how
no,
can
not
we?
captcha, not captcha. Even otherwise, normally, now you look here, I can type out what is that? O zero. I can type out capital O. Both, acha. The capital O is slightly bigger than the zero.
Yes, sir.
That is
Capital O is
only.
slightly spherical, sir, and O is oval, sir.
Mm, no, no. O is what is this? What is this one? I don't know. How will you call it? I
Okay,
have
I'm
typed.
sorry.
No, no. I have. You are
Oh,
told wrongly. You are told wrongly.
yeah, yeah, yes, sir. I told you opposite, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are told
O
opposite.
is spherical, sir. Yeah.
Cipher zero is spherical. This is O is the big wala like this. Rho is circular more or less. You see, this is
Okay,
cipher.
okay, okay.
You want to see that now? Now I am putting cipher. This is cipher. Oh, no, no.
Okay.
I think I typed O. I am putting cipher now. This is cipher, Baba, and this is O.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, I see.
No, no, no. This type of silly questions they will not ask. I am just
Oh,
because out of curiosity, the interest came in me to know what it is. Because many times I have problem in my captcha. One because of
mm,
my poor eyesight. That is the reason. Now, next
no
question.
problem.
These are all the questions that have been asked last week in
Okay,
Punjab
okay,
and
sir.
Sindh Bank. In Punjab and Sindh Bank.
Mhm.
And same post, scale 1 post IT officer. Write a program in SQL that show date and time from your system. I don't know what it is. How are you going to do it? I think maybe
Yes,
they will
sir.
give you a paper and they will ask you to write. I don't know. Pata nahi. Be ready for such questions also.
Okay, sir. So we can
Next,
just do it by select this date from dummy. That will do the things, sir.
if you, I don't know the answer, please tell them to their satisfaction. Next question. Write a program that shows name from table starts with K letter. Starts with oh, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
This boy
It,
has
it is correct, sir.
correct.
With, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
WITH, sir. With.
Acha, acha, it should be with acha, acha, it should be WITH. Yeah, with K latter. Pata nahi, what is that?
Letter, sir. LETTER, sir.
LE. Acha.
Yes,
This
sir.
has been
Letter.
given by one North Indian boy. Yeah, yeah. So you can manage this question. I don't know. Even if you tell, I will not follow. Please manage this
Okay,
question.
okay, sir. Sure,
Now, please
sure,
talk to
sure,
me.
sure.
What is RDBMS?
So RDBMS is an acronym for Relational Database Management System. So here, the database is built using tables and rows and columns, which corresponds to a table. It's a tabular database.
Yeah, if they are happy, it is sufficient. But normally, I'm not satisfied because whenever a question like this is asked, you have to explain from 7 W's. Please note down what, when, why, where, how, which, who. RDBMS means what is it? Why is it? How is it? When is it? Where is it? I don't know. How you can answer all these questions? थोड़ा detailed एक paragraph बोलना है.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll see, sir. I'll
I
see.
think,
I'll
in
see
fact,
about this, sir.
if you want to do that, what we can do is, supposing I go to my chat GPT and ask it, it will tell me that better than what you've told.
Yeah,
For
yeah, I
ex
understand, sir.
yeah,
Okay,
for
sir.
example, I am putting it like this. See how nicely it is telling. Are you seeing on the screen? No.
No, sir. I cannot follow on this. Yeah, I'm seeing the older screen, sir. IT office, sir.
कितना अच्छा आता है देखिए आंसर. So like this, you please search perplexity or our chat GPT and frame your own answers. See, they are telling data storage in tables, then structured query language, data integrity, normalization, relationships, then what is that? Acid properties. Common examples of RDBMS include MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, Oracle Database, SQLite. RDBMS is widely used for managing large amounts of structured data in many applications from web development and enterprise software. समझ गया? It is nothing
Yes, sir.
very new material. If you go to your chat GPT and search like this, आपको मिल जाएगा. For everything you can do like this. Chat GPT, SQL, I don't know. So very many languages you told, Go,
Yes, yes, sir.
Golang, I don't know. ये सबको you prepare put it like this, you will get a paragraph. उसको mug up करके जाओ, tell as if you have learnt about it, while you may not know about it. Of course, they won't
Okay,
expect
sir.
you to know the new languages that are coming, but uh, this and all you must be able to talk in detail. Best wishes.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you so
Thank you
much.
so much, sir.
We will meet
Thank you
on
so much,
another
sir.
date after you are knowing the date of interview. On which date I would expect you to be still, you are better than normal guys who I come across, because I am
Thank you
meeting
so much, sir.
under computer itself. I am meeting minimum, say, so for every month I'll be meeting about 5 or 10 people like that for various positions. Maybe they are in studying computer, coming for bank job, PO job, etc. So, but your level of participation is better than others. That's because you are already working in an IT company. So, best wishes. All the best. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for connecting me, sir.
You
Thank
did
you
a
so much,
good
sir.
job, and there is scope for improvement.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
And
much, sir.
was it based on a written test or only based on your CV?
It is based on written test, sir.
Acha, very good.
So,
Thank you. Bye.
thank you so much.